Let's talk about the pros of each, starting with braces. More effective for more complex issues. No temptation to leave them out, so less discipline is needed for success. No extra cleaning steps required besides regular brushing and flossing.
And the pros for Invisalign: they're invisible, removable, no issues with food getting caught, no difficulty eating, no discomfort from wires. Now for the cons for each. With braces, you may have some discomfort from wires, brackets, or tooth movement. You also may have tooth discoloration due to difficulty in cleaning your teeth and bracket breakage. You may have difficulty eating sticky and hard foods.
And the cons for Invisalign: may have discomfort from tooth movement, must remove before eating or drinking anything but water, must brush after each meal to avoid staining.
Braces are not ideal for patients playing rough contact sports regularly.
And Invisalign is not ideal for patients with the need to rotate teeth, lack of discipline to keep trays in for at least 22 hours daily. We hope we provided you with a comprehensive overview of braces compared with Invisalign.
When you come in to meet with me or Dr. K, we will sit down with you to discuss these options further and decide which is the right treatment plan for your specific needs.
Until next time, thanks for joining us, and please watch our other super informative videos to learn even more, and keep smiling.